Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the single required item, the Jeep key or vehicle token. Once done, head straight to the island ferry spawn point and watch the timer. You need to board during its open window. Make sure to clear an inventory slot and equip a small toolbox so you can perform quick repairs on arrival. Move now, don't wander. The ferry arrives quickly, so approach calmly and keep your key visible to the ferry operator or trigger point. You drive the Jeep up the ramp, aligning wheels with the ferry's centerline. Precision prevents snagging. Once positioned, engage the handbrake and set the vehicle into neutral, but keep the engine idling until dock crews secure lash points. If the ramp is slightly off, attach the tow hook and have an assistant guide you. This avoids multiple load attempts and delays. After lash points are set, switch the engine off and remove the key. You wait for the dock crew's clearance light before restarting the engine. That prevents accidental movement while ramps are still being lowered. Once the ramp is down, start the Jeep and slowly drive off, pausing immediately to inspect tires, lights, and steering responsiveness. This confirms no damage occurred during transit. If the Jeep fails to start, use your spare battery or perform a jump start following safety steps. If problems persist, report to the ferry desk and use the toolbox to troubleshoot basic electrical connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.